Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a great day. So I'm super excited because there is no time better than right now to go ahead and install the subframe and the fuel tank back onto the Supra. Everything is complete. I still do have to torque down the subframe, but once it's attached to the Supra, and I'm still not too sure exactly where I'm gonna route the charcoal canister filter yet, or to be honest, I don't know exactly where where underneath the bumper I'm going to attach it to, but I'll probably figure that out once I get to that step. So let's get started. Okay guys, so I have successfully mounted the subframe onto the leveler, and I honestly didn't even need help, so it was just all about the angle really, but it's there, it's ready to go. But technically speaking, I do have to install these brake lines before I can install the subframe, and I'm trying to remember how exactly it's placed underneath, because I also took these out of the Supra just to clean them up a bit, and I did get brand new Powerhouse Racing brackets with some brand new fuel grommets from Toyota, so I am going to be installing those as well. This will definitely be part of this process, but I don't think it's too hard to understand. I see that there is a placement point here and then here. It just kind of feels tricky, to be honest. Oh yeah. Okay, now I remember. And then this piece goes here. Okay guys, so before I mount these brackets onto the frame, I did want to show you guys. So these are the PHR brackets that I am using to go ahead and mount all of the lines onto the frame. And then there's these grommets. So I wanted to show you guys the difference. This is a grommet that I filed all along the side of the wall, so it's pretty thin and it fits perfectly flushed into this bracket. But these grommets actually don't come like that. I had to file it myself, so I am going to show you guys how it looks when it's not filed down. Oh, this is filed down as well. Yeah. So this one right here, this is OEM, this is non-filed. You see how the walls, they're really thick on the outsides of this, and it does not fit. So whatever you do, it's not going to be able to press in, no matter with how much pressure. Like, they literally have to be filed down, because if not, it's not going to go in. Just want to let you guys know. So I already got the subframe propped right underneath the Supra, and now it's ready to just bring on and bolt onto the frame, and it's ready to go, guys. Look at this, we're almost there.